Yo, bro. Hey, yo.
I don't have a car.
Hey, chill. Alright, boys. You already know what we're doing today. That $70 kit on Amazon. Amazon's choice, you feel me? You dig? Alright, so we did have to go to AutoZone. And we bought this just so we can, you know, get it. It's already soldered, by the way. The end's already soldered. So that's pretty great. And then yeah, so now we're just connecting it to the battery, make sure it works, and then yeah, let's get it, boys. Now I feel like I'm a TikToker zooming in and out. All right, boys. We got it working. Got it connected to the app. Let me log in the app real quick to show you guys real quick. It's called LED Hue. As you can see, it works. Green, blue. How the hell you do rainbow shit? Oh, there we go. There we go. Ooh, rainbows. Ooh la la. Alright, that's tough. And by the way, the instructions show you, if you're wondering, on this page, it tells you what to connect to. So you refresh the page, and then you click that, and you click the directions it tells you to, and then boom. Let's go see this. Let's see this. Let's see this. Dang, you sponsored, bro?
I wish.
Hey yo.
Okay.
Hey yo.
Yes.
Anybody get a Brom seat? I'm Brom everything. I can't wait to get Brom stuff, man. My favorite.
It's gonna cost you $2,000.
Yes, it will cost me $2,000. All right, let's get to wiring.
This car will start rolling.
All right, boys. So let me just show you what we kind of did. I just kind of tied it up right in there. Sorry about the weird angle. I'm gonna clean it up at the end, but we got this side on for the most part, and I put the clips on, as you can see, in front, middle, and the end, and then the back I didn't do yet. I just want to get the other side done before it gets dark. Yo! Before it gets dark, so let's get it. Yo, boys, we finished. Here it is. Let me put the latch down for you. Let me just get this. And for anyone wondering, I wired it through here and down to there. So here we go. And for anyone wondering with the Tome, you will have to put it on the metal part. That's where people usually run their rear sub. I mean, rear turbo mount. Man, I can't speak today. But here it is. Sorry about the big trunk. But let's give it a little cold start for you boys. You feel me? And we'll put on the daylights as well. That way you guys can see what it looks like. I should get some RGB lights, huh? Pretty dope. Not gonna lie. Pretty clean. These are bright as hell. Non-band. Now I gotta get air in my tire. Be right back. For anybody interested, let me just show you the different modes you can do. You just click O, let me connect. So you just find it. Can it focus? Of course not.
How come you didn't do yours?
Because he's leaving.
Change it.
Air screwed in my car. It's just, I don't have side rails. His car does. So
Oh.
my side skirts are the lowest part of my car, which is ass. Fucking ass. Even I have
And you can make it change like this.
Apparently, E46 is just never dead. It's a comedy 46 thing.
And you put it on one. What is that?
My Delta.
No, what is it?
Fires.
Oh.
Oh, that looks cool. I like the two, the blue and the green. That's so cool. I want to put on color.
It's my favorite, the rainbow. But there you go, boys. It's a quick install video. I doubt you can see me though, but Siani. Remember, guys, let's get in front of the lights. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know it was a quick little video, but as you can see, Ahmad also did his lights in the last video that you probably saw. And I did mine. Evan's car is down for the moment. Siani's here with her Jeep. But other than that, thank you for watching this quick little video. It wasn't a tutorial really, but it was just more of an episode of whatever. But we're definitely not done the video today, but I'll see you guys when we go get food. Hey yo. Hey yo.